This playthrough is just to show how you can use Curio XR with a chemistry or biochemistry class. Curio XR is a tutoring app. It's created by a company out of Gainesville, Florida, and they are dedicated to creating an immersive space for students to explore educational resources. Many times it's used with tutoring or self-study. It takes a minute for it to load because it's full of a lot of content. CurioXR can be a real game changer for exploration. We've linked the headsets to UNF, so all you really have to do is put in your email address. And enter. We have a demo room, but you can feel free to open your own room. You can create your own room. You use your hands, you don't use the controllers. So I'm going to enter the VLC demo room just to show you how it works very quickly. They have tutorials inside of Curio that will help you to learn how to use the experience. It's a collaborative space, so you see it's very large. Anyone who logs in to Curio right now, if they were to go into the VLC demo room, they would be in here with me. I've had up to 20 people here in the room with me, each one having their own tablet, which when you look on your left hand, this button opens up this tablet. It has several tools on here. I'm not going to go through all of them. I'm just going to go to the content. And then if you go to science, down here you see chemistry, and then you have a whole list of molecules. They have the periodic table here that you can use. So I'll take that off. And then you can just scroll through what types of molecules they have. Let's say I was just going to use lysine. Each person has their own wrist function, which pulls up this menu bar. And you can grab it and you can manipulate it, make it larger, make it smaller. They have tools where you can erase things. I think it's the, like if you wanted to manipulate it and then say, take this off. I don't know whether you can do that or not, but you can make it bigger or you can turn it around and see what it looks like anyway. I'm not sure whether you can do anything with it, but and it's going to be there until you like erase it. And then you can pull up other things. They have starch, water, hydrogen, just some of the other things. Maybe some of the students can go through these and see what they have. They have a molecule builder where you can build your own molecule, a double bond, triple bond, adjust an atom, single bond. There's also these structures that you might be able to play with and use. I see the eraser, so I imagine you can erase, like if I was to use this molecule and bring it over here and maybe use the erase. Oh, that's the marker. I don't want the marker. So I'm going to drop the marker and I'm going to pick up the eraser and maybe, yeah, I can erase. That's how you erase stuff. All right, so I'm dropping that. So if I wanted to, say, bring this up, where did it go? Oh, I put it on the wall there. So that could be our point of reference of what we're building. Then you can build it that way. What is this? I'm not sure what that is. But I imagine your students would be like, oh, it's a video.
Hi there, I'm Watson, and
Oh,
I'll be your guide
Watson
today.
is an AI
First, let's take a
assistant
look at
that
the
can
inside of
help
your
you.
wrist.
Other things, you're going to learn about Lewis structures, and you're going to learn how to predict the arrangement of different electrons.
You can put your finger into the two orbs if you want to pause or restart any instructions. And if you have any questions at all, just press and hold the microphone button on the inside of your wrist.
So
When you're
Watson
done
is here to
asking your
help you
question,
throughout,
release
but
the
he'll
button.
also answer questions. So for this, I guess for this exercise,
Next, look
you
at the
have
board to see
things
how
that
to
you're
scoot or
going to
slide around the
do
room. As you
in
can
this. So
see,
this
to
might be
scoot around the
something
room, you just
that
make a
your
peace
students
sign
might
and then
be
point it
interested
forward in
in.
the direction you'd like to
If
go.
you're studying
To go
chemistry or
backwards, do the same thing,
biochemistry
but flip
or
your hand
anything like
over.
that. But I say come in and give it a try. I don't know chemistry, so I don't know
Now for
what
shorter
it
distances, you
is
may
that
want
you
to
would
slide
need.
instead.
All right, Watson.
Just
I
grab the
don't need
world
you.
with 2 fists and slide yourself in any
Watson.
direction. To go further, just do
Watson.
the same thing again.
Hey, Watson.
All right, now it's time to get started. You can scoot or slide to the
All right,
next
so
station,
now I'm
or you
going
can
to
put your
stop
finger in the next
Watson,
station
and I'm going to
orb
leave
on
the
the inside of your
room,
wrist.
and I'm going to go back to the lobby. And that is Curio. I'm sure you can play with it and get it to do what you want it to do. Thank you for watching.